Hello viewers, let's learn how to send money from Easypaisa to Upaisa. Click Easypaisa app and now click log in or sign in. Now provide your 5-digit PIN and click proceed button. Now click send money and then other wallet. After opening other wallet, choose or locate Upaisa app. So click on it. And now you will see the number. Enter the number or IBN number of the person whom you want to send money. Now select enter purpose of payment. I choose this one. You may choose your own. And the last one, enter mobile number. It's optional. So let me write the same number. Type the number and if it appears below, click it or hit enter. And you will see next button, so click it. Now enter the amount of money you want to send and click next. Now if you would like to add the number, tick mark over here and click send now button. And now click OK. Click send now. You can view the receipt by opening it. It's the receipt. And if you click share, so you can share it through any messenger or WhatsApp to the other party for verification or confirmation. Now the money has been sent. Thanks for watching.